Here's a very quick video demonstrating how to create an incrementer or a count every time a button is pressed. In our design, we need to add in that button so that we can count every time the button is pressed. I'm just going to change the text here to click me. Over in the blocks then, we need to create a variable because obviously the number of times that the button is pressed, that's going to change. That's our variable here. So what we'll do then is create a variable, call it counter, and start it at 0. Then when the button is pressed, this is where we increment or increase the value of our counter. So we do that then by going into math, getting the plus or the addition block, and we're going to add 1 onto our counter. So this means every time it's clicked, the value of that variable goes up by 1. Now, in order to show that to a user, we could use a label, we could add in extra components, but for the moment, we're just going to display that in the screen. So these are the blocks if you want to pause. This is how you create your own counter. Another thing we could do here, a nice feature to have, is the ability to reset our counter as well. So I'm going to use the LongClick event. I'm going to change the value back to 0 because obviously when you're resetting, you're starting counting from scratch. And then the same idea applies here because we're going to go to screen title and we're going to show the value of counter. So this is the whole thing in action. Clicking the button here increases it. You can see it up in the title there. It goes up to 10 or higher. Press and hold and it goes back to 0, and then keep clicking and it goes up again. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create an incrementer or add a counter into your application. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future.